In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect Stripe with QuickBooks Online so your payments sync automatically and your bookkeeping stays up to date. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and opening the Apps or Integration section from the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Stripe and select the Stripe integration from the results. Open the app page and click the button to connect or get the app to begin setup. You'll be redirected to Stripe to sign into your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe login details and approve the connection so QuickBooks can securely access your payment data. After you grant permission, you'll return to QuickBooks where you can choose your sync preferences, such as how you want Stripe transactions to be categorized. Once you confirm the settings, finish the setup and wait for the confirmation message that the integration is active. QuickBooks will start importing your Stripe transactions automatically. After the first sync completes, review your Banking or Transactions tab to make sure payments are appearing and categorized correctly. Connecting Stripe with QuickBooks helps you automate payment tracking and reduce manual data entry. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for more QuickBooks tutorials.